This week, we interviewed author Jenny Delacruz of Fridays with Miss Melange, Haiti, and she shared her DIY tips for publishing a book.
My name is Jenny Delacruz. I'm excited to be here and share my first picture book, Fridays with Miss Melange, Haiti. I'm a new author. I'm also a mother of 2 boys, married to a wonderful husband of 8 years, Joseph. And he's the one that really inspired me to write this book. You know, as a child and family therapist and family counselor, I really believe that it's important to have a healthy view of yourself and to know your history. And so that is something I not only want to instill in my own children, but to share with others. So I want to share real briefly my journey from start to finish. My family is actually from Haiti. I am a first-generation born American, and I wanted to teach my sons, who are 3 and 5, about the history of Haiti from a child's perspective. And I really could not find any books that was geared towards children in that way. And so my husband gave me an idea and said, why don't you write one? And so I said, oh, I'm not a writer. And he was like, just do it. So I did it for fun, but I was putting so much work into it. It was just like, why not get published? Why not look for an illustrator? And so this is how this dream came a reality. And believe it or not, it took me about a year to do it. You know, I'm born in Brooklyn. My family is of Haitian descent. And so this was a truly important project. And so I hope that you can check it out. A portion of the proceeds to this book will support orphanages in Haiti. And I just want to give you some tips on how to become a first-time author. I would say the first tip is to dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to writing. It's so important to be consistent. And let's be honest, most of us have 30 minutes to spare. And so if you start with that, who knows? As the ideas start flowing, you might find yourself after an hour with some really great material. Another great tip is to find support. Look for association in your areas of authors. Look for Facebook groups, and even look to see if you can find a mentor. Even if it's paid help, you know, time is money, and you will save tons of times from making mistakes that perhaps this author made in the past. And you know, that individual can give you a summary in 1 hour of 20 years of experience. So you're really paying for valuable information. Another important tip is to decide if you want an agent and publish traditionally or self-publish. One method is not better than the other. It's important to list the pros and cons and find out what works best for you and your lifestyle. Another great tip is to share your journey from start to finish on social media. A lot of times we want to keep things to ourselves because, let's admit, you know, we are sometimes afraid of failure. We want everything to be perfect. But when you share your journey, you get people invested. You get ideas from friends and family. Next thing you know, people are also invested too. They are part of your journey, and when it's time to publish the book, you have a strong following that perhaps you didn't develop intentionally, but you have developed. And so just keep that in mind. So I hope these tips were helpful for you, and I really want you to consider purchasing my book. It's called Fridays with Miss Melange, Haiti. And this is a great tool to use as a supplement if you're a teacher, to teach history, or even a parent. This book has reflective questions in the end. It has a glossary of terms, and it also has a list of sources for further research. And so check it out. You can find it on Amazon's, Barnes & Noble, and go from there. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And if you want to follow me, check me out on YouTube at Storytime with Miss Melange, Instagram at Storytime Melange, and on Facebook, Diverse Kids Books. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.